Okay, so tonight we're going to start with the big two questions that we're going to be looking at some more tomorrow in class. What is perimeter and what is area? Now, some of you on your pretest, you were able to find the perimeter and the area of a standard like rectangle or square. Okay, nice job. Some of us, we're starting at the beginning, so we really need to figure out and put all of our heads together on what is perimeter and what is area. They are two different things when it comes to a shape, okay? We're going to start, I'm going to show you tonight how you can take something that we have already learned about and apply it. And then tomorrow we'll talk about what is perimeter and what is area, okay? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use these little squares, okay? And these little squares happen to be 1-inch squares. We call them 1-inch squares. But anyways, they're about 1 inch each length around each of the sides, okay? I am going to build an array. I'm going to build an array using these squares, okay? So I'm pulling out, if you can hear me, a bunch of light blue 1-inch squares here so that I can build an array with them. Okay, so let's see. What kind of an array should I build? Let's try a 3 by 3. Okay. Well, if you apply your knowledge of what we've already done with arrays, let's go ahead and just with me draw this. How I would sketch it is that I would take my pencil, okay, and yes, I'm using these squares, and you're going to get to tomorrow, which is kind of fun. So how would I draw this in my notes? Okay, so I would draw a square, and look how, I'm not being super picky about how big it is, but I'm also being pretty as neat as I possibly can. Okay, so I want to have 3 going across and 3 going up. It is a 3 by 3. So draw 2 lines that go straight down as even as you can possibly make it. That's a really bad line. Try that again. There we go. And then draw 2 lines that go from left to right as evenly as you can make it. And there we go. We have a 3 by 3 area or array. Okay, so I'm going to replace that with my blue 1 by 1 inch squares here. Okay, and now I'm going to write the dimensions. I said that this was a 3 by 3 inch okay, array. Now, when we go to solve this array, we think, okay, well, what's 3 times 3, right? 3 times 3 equals 9. And that answer of 9 tells us how many squares are inside that array, correct? Yeah. Well, you just found the area of this 3 by 3 array. Okay, you just found the area. Now, let's see if we can find the perimeter. The perimeter is, I'm going to just take one side, all the outside here. Okay, 1, 2, 3, and count them up. 4, 5, 6. And as you can see, I took 3, 3, but I also need to do the top and the other side as well. So I did 3 plus another 3 was 3. That made 6, and I'm going to keep counting them. 7, 8, 9. If you can see, look what I did. I drew my little lines up there, and now I'm going to do the other side and keep counting. 10, 11, oh, I'm sorry, 12. So the perimeter of this array was 12. Okay? That's the perimeter. Okay? So all I did was take 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3. Let me write that equation. 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 equals 12. Okay? Let me try another one now. Okay? And here's what you're going to do. You're just going to watch me for this one. Okay? I'm going to try another one. I'm going to do an array. And again, you just watch and pay close attention and listen. Okay? All right, so this time I'm going to try to pull more out. Okay, there's 4. And as you're watching me build this array, I want you to be thinking about what array am I building? What by what? Okay. Okay, there's this array that I've just built. Well, what is this array? It is a 1, 2, 3, 4 by 1, 2, 3. So it's showing that 4 and 3 are factors of 12. Okay, so because I'm doing 4 times 3 to equal 12. Well, let me count up. Is that how many 1-inch squares I have inside this rectangle? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Yes. So that is my area of this rectangle I've created, of this array that I have created for factors of 12. Okay? Now let me try to find the perimeter. I'm going to try to find the perimeter. Now I'm going to take what I did on with my light blue array, that 3 by 3, and try to apply it for this one. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 plus 5, 6, 7. So 3 plus 8, 9, 10, 11. Just 4 more. 12, 13, 14. Okay, so I got 14. Let's try this again. Oops, 3. Why did I write the 4 there? That should be a 3. So I got 14. Let me double check and see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Awesome. So I double checked, and after adding up all of those side pieces there, I got a perimeter of 14. So here's the conclusion of this video. Let's go back to those 2 essential questions. What is perimeter? What is area? Okay, I want you to think about that. Reflect on those 2 questions. Thinking about our 3 by 3 array that we did, and the 4 by 3 array I did on the other side that you did not have to draw. And now I want you to reflect. What is perimeter and what is area? On your log for tonight, since it is Tuesday, if you watch this video, of course circle yes. 1 sentence about what you learned. 1 sentence about what is the video about. For the math problem for the video, I'm not giving you a problem I don't want you to work on solving. I want you to work on reflecting. Okay? You're reflecting on those 2 essential questions. What is perimeter and what is area? And I want you to write that reflection in this box for me to read tomorrow morning. All right? I'll see you tomorrow.